Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your July read. Let's see what energies are going to be flowing towards you in July, Sagittarius, and how we can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin your read. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of July. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin. Thank you for being here, my old subscribers and my newbies. I'm very, very grateful for joining in today. And newbies, if you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so Saggis, current energy, you're a bit stressed out from what I feel. You're overthinking, stressed out, but July looks fabulous. All right, you're coming into your Emperor zone soon, but I'm not going to talk about this right now. Let's concentrate on your current energy. Okay, so this is going to be your secret message, and overall is the Six of Wands. Victory, worried about some successes, right? And you're coming into them, it seems, in July. This is your overall energy for the month of July, Sagittarius, coupled with the Emperor card. This is your July card. Back in control, victorious. Wow. Okay, so this is going to be, touch wood, a good reading for you. But currently, Sagittarius, I do see you quite stressed out. I mean, at the moment, you don't see it coming at all. Your eyes are blindfolded, you feel stress, you feel caged in, on all these swords around you. But actually, in actuality, the swords are only around, beside you and behind you, in front of you. There's a clear path, but you can't see it because your eyes are blindfolded. Right, you're stressing out because you don't know where the swords are and which one is going to cut you, so you're just paralyzed in fear and just thinking in the recent past, because maybe something was stuck, something was not moving, and that energy is still with you right now. Let's see. Eight of Swords spirit, as and July is not here yet, so this is your now energy, right? So Eight of Swords for Sagittarius, what are they stressed out about? Maybe stability. Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, money is on your mind. Now you're having to maybe take care of a lot of responsibilities, a lot of people that you have to cater to. Yes, you have being pulled in many different directions, and you have goals, but you haven't really stepped onto that path yet. Right? You have the world in your hands, you have a goal in mind, but right now fear or worries or finances or something is keeping you stuck, but you are visualizing the best possible outcome. You want to have that money, that stability, where you can sit back and nurture yourself, nurture others, and be in control of your home, hearth, business, and feel totally comfortable. And that is the main focus from what I see of the Sagittarians right now. You're looking for stability, right? Whether it's a stability in a relationship with your partner, or it could be stability in your work life, or some goal that you have in mind. But whatever said and done, I think money does kind of have a say in this dynamic here. Right now you are at crossroads, wondering which way is it going to flow, and maybe pulled in various directions as well, as to not understanding what to do. Yes, you're trying to balance things out as the best you can. You are trying to heal yourself, balance out your energies, and while this waiting period is happening, I think you're using it very well by focusing on what you want in the future and trying to give yourself that time and energy and healing and resting. Being patient for what is to come. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? The Hanged Man for Sagittarius. Hanged Man for Sagittarius. I think Sagittarius focus was again on stability, on long term, on maybe something to do with your home and hearth and long-term stability. You have been working really hard towards that even in the past. But maybe things have not been moving and you kind of were on that verge of saying, is it even worth it? Should I just give up the fight? I'm tired. I can't fight anymore. Because, I put in all that work for my stability, but nothing seems to be working. And I'm getting a bit exhausted now. Whatever dream of whatever this Four of Wands means for you, this is a collective reading, so some of you may have wanted to get married, maybe you're waiting for a partner to offer you the stability, maybe this was in work, maybe some of you had goals to buy a home, whatever it was, you in the recent past also you have been consistently working on some goal of yours, which I think you kind of lost hope, right? So as much as you've lost hope right now, I think patiently you are waiting to see which way the universe is going to push you into. You currently, I see you a bit kind of at crossroads, not real understanding which way to go, thinking, overthinking, using your mind, trapped in your mind. But in July, you're coming back into your power with the Emperor card. But before I clarify the Emperor card for July, I'm going to first take a Angel Blessing card. Let's see how the angels are going to bless this reading. Sorry, the Lord Ganesha card. Sorry. Lord Ganesha being, we pray to Lord Ganesha for all new beginnings, and July being a brand new month. This time I'm going to be taking a Lord Ganesha card and see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless my Sagittarians. Lord Ganesha for Sagittarius. What do you have for Sagittarius? Okay. Perseverance. Yes, Sagittarius, don't give up. Anytime you have this feeling also that I've worked and nothing seems to be happening right now, you may be stressing about that, right? But Lord Ganesha is saying, please, please, please don't give up. This is like, you're giving up at the last minute. You're about to reach the finish line here. Just push a little harder. Don't stop. Don't let fear paralyze you into non-action. Don't let this fear of your mind paralyze you into stopping. You've worked so hard. You're almost there. All right. So that's your card for you, Sajis. Take a look. Okay, I'm going to put it here now. And now let's move on to the July energies. And of course, the overall energy of this reading is the Six of Wands, which is the victory card. It's such a beautiful card. This person is on their horse and people around them are applauding them. So if this is work for you, yes, you could be getting a promotion. People could be kind of applauding you for a job well done, or you will be in the limelight somehow. And if this is a relationship, something new and solid is coming towards you. That much is assured, because you've worked so hard. You are going to now be in control of your destiny. The Emperor spirit for Sagittarius in July. The Emperor. Whatever you've been stressed on, whatever has been keeping you paralyzed now, this is your current card, right? Eight of Swords. Whatever you've been stressing out on, Spirit says, we are bringing justice to this. You will no longer need to stress this much about it, because we are going to balance the scales out. You deserve success. After all this worry and work and whatever you've been up to, Sagittarius, this justice is going to put you right back on your throne, in control of your life. And I see a lot of celebration and victory coming as well. So one more spirit for, we're so excited about the July card, the Emperor card for Sagittarius. Can we have some more? Yes, see, this is clear-cut communication, no more confusion. Now all those swords which were around you, you walked away from those in July, or you will be. You're picking up that one sword, and communication could be a big thing as well in July. Maybe somebody will say something to you which is going to put you into that seat of power. This could be a boss or something who would have this conversation with you, or this could be you, Sagittarius, who's totally clear-minded now about what you need to go forward with. You've picked up this one sword and you've cut away all that was binding you down, that blindfold on your eyes, your hands that were tied. You've cut away all those barriers now, or you're going to be in July now, and that's what's going to bring justice and balance back into your life and put you into that seat of power. So that's nice to know. Thank you, Lord Ganesha. So what is it that my Sagittarius should hold on to? Three of Pentacles. Sagittarius, whatever you're doing, keep working on it. Keep working on it, because a brand new chapter is about to begin. Okay, whatever your goals have been, whether this has been at work or anything, any goal that you've had, any relationship problem, whatever you have been working on, continue working on yourself with a clear mind, without stress, if possible, because what Spirit is saying, you're, like I said, reaching the finishing line of that old chapter of your life, and a brand new chapter is about to begin. So please hold on to whatever you've been doing or working on. What else should Sagittarius hold on to, Spirit? See, this Ace of Wands, the passion, the drive. Don't give up. Where was that card? Don't give up. This fresh new beginning is about to start in your life. You're completing a chapter of your life, and a new one is beginning, which is going to be full of excitement, passion, newness. So please hold on to whatever dream that you have. So what's this Three of Cups then, Spirit? Three of Cups. Oh, the Emperor again. Yes, this is something that this is a suggestion or advice by the universe. Spirit is saying focus on becoming the best version of yourself. If you have a focus to achieve, you will achieve. There is success coming towards you. Stop blaming yourself. I think a lot of my Sagittarians, you end up, second guessing or blaming yourselves that, maybe I was not good enough, so that's why, things broke down, or kind of going back and forth in your mind as to, this is all stress, right? All stress and tension and hurting yourself into second guessing yourself. Yeah, that's all I can say. Thinking it's your fault always. It's my fault. Maybe I was not good enough. Maybe I didn't put in enough work. Spirit is saying it's time now to let go of this kind of behavior or this kind of thinking or feeling, because hey, this is what we have in store for you. There's celebrations and good times ahead of you, and because this is the second time an Emperor card has come, which is normally an Aries card, Sagittarius, but fire, right? You're a fire sign as well. So this basically means somebody who's in control of their life. Focus and believe in yourself. Don't second guess yourself. Don't blame yourself for the things which haven't worked out in the past. So what's going to become Sagittarius's biggest blockage, Spirit, in July? Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. Yes. Spirit is saying the biggest blockage that you can have is, I think, you've become a little battle weary, Sagittarius. You've been through many, many battles in the past, and you've kind of started being in self-protective mode. So Spirit is saying, instead of kind of warding everybody out and not trusting anybody, there are people around you who have your best interest at heart. So learn to give and take and accept assistance when you can. Team effort and taking help from others will actually be a very big catalyst in this fast forward movement which is coming towards you. So don't block off anything and everyone coming towards you. Just be a little mindful of that, because yes, you have kind of, you're tired. I can see that in the recent past you almost gave up. So Spirit is saying, don't become that defensive where you start distrusting that there's nobody around to help you. We are sending you people, places, opportunities who are going to be there, who will give you back what you are putting on the table, right? So, and that's going to be really helping you in the forward movement which is required now for this emperor that you're going to be, right? So how are people going to be seeing my Saggis now? People are going to be seeing my Saggis as the Three of Wands. They, people close to you, your friends, your parents, your children, your siblings, or your best friend who know you very, very well, they see that you've been putting in a lot of work for a very long time, but maybe you haven't got the fruits of your labor to the extent that you wanted it. That emotional happiness may have not been achieved till now, but now, because of all the work that you're putting in, everybody around you can see that your success is not far. Your ships are coming in. Why? Because of all the work that you've already put in. The work that you put in which you never saw any results for. People are guessing that, hey, this kind of effort is definitely going to bear fruit. And they can smell that, good things are coming towards you. How else do people see my Sagittarius spirit? How else do people around Sagittarius see them? Oops, too many cards. How do people see my Sagittarius? Oh, Sagittarius people around you, people who really love you, I think they know that things haven't gone well for you, maybe in the past, maybe where work was concerned, or where even emotional happiness was there. People do see that you have had times where you've maybe been very emotional or emotionally overwhelmed or afraid also. A lot of conflict you've been through, maybe a lot of heartbreak that you've gone through, but they are also applauding you because now they see that everybody can sense it, Sagittarius, that now you don't have to do anything more but to wait for your rewards to come in. People can sense this new change that is dawning upon, this old chapter which is ending and the new one that's beginning. How else, Spirit? How else do people around, how will that see them in July now? As very enlightened and waiting. And getting a lot of success. So much that Sagittarius... Okay, this can go two ways. Some people may see you as kind of holding back and a little, after you get all this success, you may become a little stingy. So just be mindful of that. That now that you've suddenly got everything that you are going to be getting in July, everything that you wished for, you may kind of hold tight, thinking that, oh my God, what if it goes, and what if I don't get it again? So maybe your children or your parents or your siblings may say, hey, he's become a little stingy, he's not sharing. But on the other hand, your loved ones will also see you as finally achieving everything that you wished for, like surrounded with all the goodies that you've been waiting for. And it's come after a long wait from what I see. Yes, and they also see you as very wise, very spiritual. Maybe you are into prayers or something, and yes, they feel that because of all this work that you've put into yourself, not only for your goal but also into your spirituality, maybe you pray or you do whatever what you do, that you are being gifted a brand new life. This is I told you, a new chapter starting, and when a new chapter starts in your life, Sagittarius, it's like this Fool card. You jump off a cliff, and the angels catch you and say, hey, you took a leap of faith, and we are with you, and you can start anew. And that's how people are going to be seeing you, as the heavens have blessed you. So what's the secret message for my Sagittarius now, Spirit? King of Cups. Why is that, Spirit? Why is King of Cups a secret message? Oh, all right. One more. Okay, all right. Good, good, good. So, okay, whatever emotional unhappiness you've had in the past, I think your heart chakra is going to be open in July, Sagittarius, because now you've become a magician. You have all the tools, all you are now carefully checking everything, what you want to invest in, how you want to invest these new seeds of this new life, where are you going to plant them, and you're going to be doing a fantastic job. And you know what, this is guided, this is not only you're being guided in the correct direction, and it's going to open your heart chakra now. After all that you've been through, it's suddenly going to make you feel that love, that emotions, maybe for yourself, maybe for your people around you, maybe straight to the universe. This is like your wish is coming true. Wow. Did you not get the magician earlier? I'm not sure. But yes, in July, this is the secret message. They're giving you all the tools. You have them now. And these new seeds that you will be planting now in July is going to take you straight to your wish fulfillment. Okay, so don't give up. That's all I can say. That's what Lord Ganesha is saying as well. I mean, you may be on the verge of saying, I've tried and failed so many damn times, and nothing ever works out for me. You're just on the brink of a brand new chapter. Okay, and I do see in July victory and wish fulfillment. All right, so that was a nice reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope you liked it. I'll see you for the next one now on the Weekend Love Bite on Friday. Okay, till then, love and light. Namaste.